Loving you, na scam. Smith your banks. Every time, why am I money?
Hi guys, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please don't leave without clicking the subscribe button so you can join the Miss and Tabby Sang family and join the litness because it is lit here. Also click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, which should be every Tuesdays and Thursdays depending on how, you know, what life throws at me. And so today I wanted to show you guys my version of a nude look. I like the way it turned out. This is my go-to nude look when I'm in a rush, when I'm not in a rush, when life gets hectic, when, you know, whatever's going on and I just need like something nude, something simple, something basic. This is my go-to look. The focus is mostly on the skin, so you guys will tell that I start off with my, well, obviously I start the video with my brows done, and then I go straight to my face routine and stuff like that, and then I end up with eyeshadow, which is barely there really. I just use 2 colors, and yeah guys, I hope you guys like it. I like the way it turned out. I always like the way it turns out because it's very basic and it's very beginner friendly as well. So yes, and you guys get to see me put on my eyelashes on camera for the first time, eh? Which is always lashes, guys. Wow, those are from the table. Okay, just make sure. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm currently in a rush. Oh, if you hear any background noise, the fan is on. It's currently 34 degrees in Cape Town. I'm not about to die for YouTube, okay? I'm not at the point where I can perish because I love YouTube. And also, yeah, it's hot and I needed some fresh air. And any other disclaimers? No, not really. This look is banging. I'm in a rush, so if I'm speaking fast and if I'm just trying to get this out of the way, you know, it's my friend's birthday today. It's my friend's birthday today. Happy birthday, Ntlanhla. She doesn't even watch my videos, so she'll probably never see this birthday wish. But happy birthday, Ntlanhla, and you know, I'm coming to your dinner, baby girl. I'm rushing to your dinner right now. Okay, so we're gonna have a good time. Anyway, enjoy this video, and yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Okay guys, so please excuse my voice. I'm currently sick, I have flu. But to start off, I prime my face with the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. And I put that where I get oily the most, which is my T-zone. Then I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. I love this foundation. It leaves like a dewy finish. And I dot that all over my face and then I just blend it in. So as you can see, it's not really the same shade as me. Don't come at me in the comment section. I know, as I did say before, I got sunburnt in December and this is a 600 rand foundation, so I'm gonna wear it till the day I die. Alright, so I'm using my NYX brush to blend that foundation in, and I just go over that foundation with a dry beauty blender. So I know I used to use wet beauty blenders, but I'm finding that it sucks up a lot of the product, so I'm using a dry beauty blender. Okay guys, so next I highlight my face, and to highlight my face I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Guys, Maybelline did us all a favor when they came out with the Fit Me range. I love all the products there, and so I stan. And then I'm just going to apply that concealer on the highest points of my face, which is the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my eyes, and my forehead. I'm just going to highlight. And as you can see, I currently like blending in my concealer with a brush. I don't know, I find that it just stays. The beauty blender tends to take away the product, and so, you know, your girl ain't about that life. And so to bake, I'm going to use the Black Opal finishing powder, and I'm just going to bake or set the places that I highlighted. There it is. So to contour my face, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50. I'm lying, it's probably not NC50. Okay, I don't know what the shade is, but I know it's 2 shades darker than my face. NC50 is just 1 shade darker. And so I'm just gonna contour my face while I'm baking. It's very hot in Cape Town, and so I'm gonna keep that setting powder on up until I feel like I can dust it off. So I'm definitely baking, which I don't usually do. I'm not really a baker, but during the warmer days, it's essential to bake. Like, there's no other way. So now I'm going in with my Beauty Treats Deluxe Pro palette, and I like to use that shade to blush my face. It isn't a pink blush, it's sort of like a peachy, I don't know, a peachy blush, and it has a bit of shimmer, and so it sort of bronzes my face. I really like using that blush for that area. And so I'm going to dust off all that powder using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. That's what I use to usually dust off the baking, simply because sometimes I can't get enough of it off my face with just a brush. So I feel like the powder, my foundation shade on that powder, will sort of remove the lightness from the setting powder. I don't know if you guys get me, but it really is a thing. So I use my shade powder to dust off all that powder, and it sort of blends everything and puts everything together. So now your girl is just fixing up her contour. You know, it's gotta be done. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution palette. I don't want to leave the details there because I do want to do a review on it. And so yeah, I've used this palette a few times on my channel this year and I really love it, so I'm going to do a review for it that will probably go up next week. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Then I'm going in with like a shimmer shade. So the shade I use for like a transition or whatever, or just to like sort of contour my eyelid, is like a brown, and then I'm using a gold on my lids just to add a bit of shimmer. And then I'm going in with that brown under my eyes just to smoke it out a bit and just to look alive and, you know, ready for the day. Yes, honey. Then to highlight my face, I'll go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. These are my favorite highlighters in the whole world. Wet n Wild has proper highlighters. Yeah, I'll be your plug. Head on to Wet n Wild and get yourself a poppin' highlighter, y'all. So then I'm gonna line my lips with the Alley Girl lip pencil in the shade Chocolate. My favorite lip liner yet. I found it, guys, finally. And then I'm gonna go in with a MAC lip. Okay, no, I'm singing. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I don't think I knew what color to choose, but I'm gonna go in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Teddy. It's a soft brown with like a pinkish undertone. I really like it. Very nude, very calm, and I think very relevant for this makeup look. So I usually switch up my lip colors. If I'm not wearing this, I wear the Smashbox Nude, but my friend has it currently, so I had to improvise, and I can't find Velvet Teddy, so it's a bit shocking, but I use the shade Teddy. Oh wow, so we're just gonna line our waterlines with our lip liner. So I'm gonna set all that makeup with the Alley Girl Pro Setting Spray. I love this stuff, and it kind of makes the makeup settle into my skin. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. Y'all know, if you're a regular on my channel, you know that I love this mascara, and I'm just coating my lower lashes just for, you know, the ta. So I'm going in with the Eyelure lash glue. It's the one that is sold separately, and I'm currently wearing the Ardell Wispy lashes. Yes, so I'm gonna try and fight the lash war and just try and, you know, apply those lashes onto my eyes and see how far I get. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I apply my lashes. I wouldn't mind doing that for you guys. You all know I love you. As you can see, it's a constant battle, guys. Fight, fight, fight. Don't ever let your lashes win. Fight, fight, and fight. And more fight. So I basically coat my lash, the strip of the lashes with like the glue, and then I wait for about 60 seconds for it to get tacky, and then I place it in the middle first, and then I just try and maneuver the lashes, which is the worst part because there's a lot of slipping.
Okay guys, so I went off camera to take off my head wrap and just to fix up ish over here. You know when you put on a head wrap, then when you take it off, kuba messy. So I tried to fix up my hair, and you know, I am actually in a rush, but I tried to just zhuzh myself up a bit, and I hope you guys liked the look. This is my my version of a nude look, a basic, you know, not much went into it look, and I love it. I really love this look. This is my go-to look, especially when I'm in a rush, like days like this. I just keep it simple, I keep it easy, but I keep it cool. Alright, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I need to go sort myself out. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye.